about the Philippines. Have you heard about the Philippines before? No. Yes, yes, you have. I'm very glad. No, I'm very glad. So the Philippines were an island country, and they will tell you more about it. No, so we live near the sea. But in the Philippines, because we are an island people, we live in warm weather. We always dream of most Filipinos dream of seeing snow because we don't see snow. We don't see snow-capped mountains. So that's why for us, Nepal is an exciting place. No, a lot of Filipinos want to visit Nepal and want to go there now. So our promotion is, if if we are to promote tourism between the Philippines and Nepal, our tagline is something like from the mountains to the sea, something like that. No, so Vice Consul will tell you about it. No, but the friendship between the Philippines and Nepal now very old. It's 65 years. It's older than me. 65 years. Now Nepal and the Philippines, we became good. We became officially friends. We call it diplomatic relationship in 1960. So that was even before I was born, and I'm only 12 years old like you. No. So well, I'm glad that even at such a young age, you have an interest in learning about other countries, no? About other peoples. I think there's no better way of promoting peace and goodwill and love in the world than by learning about other peoples and promoting understanding among nations. No, so I envy you because when I was your age, I was just playing games in the streets, and here you are at such a young age, already learning about diplomacy. A profession that I entered when I was already 20, 20 something. So I think at this point, just to say welcome once again, and just to tell you that Vice Consul Ron has a lot of maybe interesting lessons to show you today about the Philippines and about our relationship with Nepal, and also about our relationship with India. Please feel free to ask questions, talk to him. We're ready to answer. And ano pa pakain mo sa kanila? Okay. So anyway, I wish you a productive session. And as we say in the Philippines, we say thank you. We say salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. And in the Philippines, the way we express our appreciation when we meet someone is we shake hands, and also we put our hands on our hearts. So salamat po. Thank you for your visit. Salamat.